Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download Facebook video on iPhone and Android Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Facebook app onto your device and choose in the video that you want to go ahead and download. So for example, let's choose a video in here like this one. So just simply click onto the share button in here and then find in the option to copy the link for that. Click on copy link, and once the link is copied, just go ahead and head onto your local browser. So just choose any browser that you want. Right after, search in there snapsave.app. Right after, you should be able to get loaded onto the screen. So just paste the video URL in here and then click on to download to proceed. So you'll just have to wait for that one to be done. Right after that, you should be able to see the quality for that. So just choose which one you want to download and click on the download button to proceed. So you should be able to see another confirmation for that. Click on download again and this should go ahead and start the download onto your device. And that is how easy you could go ahead and download Facebook video on iPhone and Android Easy Guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.